Yamaha X-Max 2022. Expressway legal na kaya ang isang to? Kuya siya ng NMAX. Parang mas matapang yung kanyang datingan. Full LED na yung kanyang headlight. Napakahaba din po ng kanyang windshield. Good for aerodynamics. Dunlop yung kanyang stock tires. 120 by 70 by 15 telescopic fork sa unahan. Single hydraulic disc brake. Dual channel ABS na rin. Very safe. Upright seating position and may abang pa na sandalan. Generous din pating sa angkas. 795mm sa seat height. 135mm. 179 kilograms. 13 liters of fuel tank capacity. Fully functional na meter panel. 30 kilometers per liter. Lit LED na pero yung kanyang turn signals is bulb type. FI na rin siya with Bluecore technology. Unit swing pero dual shocks. Naka-disc brake na rin po tayo sa likod and ABS na siya with an SRP of 274,000 pesos. 292cc. Unfortunately, X-Max 300 pa rin po ang isang to so hindi pa rin po siya papasok pagdating sa expressway. Liquid cooling system, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, single cylinder, 4 valves,